Good afternoon, students. Computer knowledge, standard 4th. Students, let's go. Page number 17. Last video, we learned Windows main function of computer, input processing and output. What is hardware and what is software. Okay. Then operating system. What is operating system? Now see this. Most computer use a very popular operating system called Microsoft Windows, popularly known as just Windows. Okay. So let's see. Starting Windows. Students, when you switch on computer, Windows start automatically. You will see a screen with many small pictures on it. This is main screen of Windows. It is called desktop. Windows desktop. The main screen Windows called desktop. So let's see with the help of animation video. See this. See this computer. How to start our computer? See this. First, switch on power. Okay. Then switch on UPS button, power controller and stabilizer. Then switch on power button of CPU and then computer start. See this, starting Windows. Welcome screen. This is start of computer. Okay, this is desktop and this is icon. So I'll show you Windows 98 desktop on our screen. Okay. Students, see this Windows 98 desktop. See this Windows 98 desktop for us. This is icons. See this taskbar. This is mouse pointer and whole screen desktop and right side calendar and clock. See this like that. Okay. So this is start button. See this start button and see this sub menus, menu, sub menu. See this programs, favorites. See this program, accessories, startups. See this sub menus. See this paint program, entertainments, calculator, imaging, notepad, wordpad. Okay, so this is mouse pointer. So let's see with the help of our textbook. Okay, see this, the main screen of Windows is called desktop. Okay, this is icons, this is my mouse pointer, start button, icon, taskbar, desktop, and see this clock, mouse pointer. When you move mouse on the mouse pad, you see a small arrow moving on the screen. See this, my arrow also moving on the screen. It is shows the position of the mouse. It is shows the position of the mouse on the screen. Arrow shows position of the mouse on the screen. See, and also arrow is called mouse pointer. This arrow is called mouse pointer. As you move the mouse pad, mouse pointer on desktop also moves. See this, also moves. If you move the mouse pointer side to side, this side to side, left to right, up to down, any direction. Okay, similarly, if you move mouse up or down, the mouse pointer moves up or down on the desktop only. See this icon, the small pictures you can see on the desktop are called icons. Small pictures, which small pictures? See these small pictures. Okay, these small pictures called icons. Now taskbar, the bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. See this bar is called taskbar. To right of the taskbar you can see the clock. See this, right of the taskbar you can see the clock. To the left of the taskbar you can see small button called the start button. See this is our start button. Okay, you can see start button here also. See this. Okay, see this start button. Then this button that you will use to start most of the programs in Windows. Okay, the start menu. The Windows list command is called menu. Move the mouse pointer on the start button and click left mouse button, you will see a menu is called start menu. Menu is called start menu. See this is when I click this start button. See this application looks like different interface. Okay, so but Windows 98, see this operating system, you can see this start button like that. See this, you can see start when you click start button. See this menu appears on screen like that. Okay, so this is this like that. Okay, if you place the mouse pointer on an item means this commands start menu, that item will be highlighted. See this highlighted, see this like blue. See this, when you place mouse pointer on an item means command, item will be highlighted like that, blue color. Okay, so it will appear with a colored band over it, color band over it. Students, let me stop here. We will see you submenu and programs next video. Let me go now. Bye.